Reliefism is my term for the kind of softcore emotional terrorism that mostly American, but honestly worldwide global marketing and advertising uses to prey on people by prying into our desires and fears simultaneously in order to get us to buy shit that we don't need. Not to riff on Carlin too much, but I do actually have thoughts and feelings and fucking opinions. Anyway, since I had to watch Joe Biden's fucking average Joe wrinkled old fucking dementia-addled pedophile man face for about fucking 13 goddamn unlucky seconds, anyone who chooses to watch this video has to be subjected to my god-awfully ugly cute fucking singing and musical dancing on this here Hawaiian guitar. So, hey, if you're into that, have fun. But seriously, folks, music is cool. I hope this one goes on for a while because my phone just fucking died out its own fucking ass. And I gotta say, I kind of feel like Clancy from the Midnight Gospel when he's just ignoring the fucking huge ass glaring hole in his whole life with the fact that his computer is dying with a bunch of X's through it. And I'm just here with like 50 million pop-ups from the fucking free online movie watching that I did last night. But it's all good. So, let's go. But seriously, folks. Music makes me want to die, though no one loves it more than I just need to figure out, how to make money. I'm so sick of being broke, using shampoos instead of soaps because I can't afford to buy them both. Music makes me want to die, no matter all the songs I write. Money never seems to come, and I'm slowly dying. The years they sold to disappear. I'm playing music no one hears. Should I give this fucker up? I'm sick of trying. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, I think I'll write just one more song. Oh, I think I'll write just one more song. I hope you sing along. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. go for another one? More fun, happy music. Andrew Jackson Giant. People too. Still people in. You've been kicked in or abused or mistreated or misused. We told there was probably to go, but up for you. You've been hurt or you've been betrayed or you've been fucked or you've been displaced. You were told it was never your fault anyway. And your hustler subscriptions and your Xanax prescriptions make you feel lonelier instead. You don't want to hear about all those starving children. You don't want to be told it's all in your head. Because if it's all in your head, that's terrible. Spilling Drunky getting a bottle of his own blood last week. I saw the cyclist get hit by a car. I saw a homeless guy who took a bottle of alcohol on Christmas Eve. You can never fall too far. You could buy a solid glove. You can buy an iPod and you can sell that shit to bookmans when your wife dies and you lose your job. You can hope it gets better. You can follow your dreams, but hope is for presidents and dreams are for people who are sleeping. Says the best we're all 2 or 3 bad decisions away from becoming the ones that we fear and pity. Tony says this is important to bear some witness, and you can. That's not hard to do in the cities that I live in. To have it any better, to have it any worse, irreplaceable human soul with your own understanding of what it means to suffer. That's a huge. Very few people know this, but I actually worked with Jack Black on that. It's called Tribute to the sequel, Electric Boogaloo. All right, here we go again. She got a bullet fucking kill the sun. Because song's about the summer, and I hate everyone. That's a giant star. I wanna go live in a bubble. I wanna get away car. Hate rain on me. Hate rain on me. You can have me someone that you love if you hate me. How can you be someone you respect if you call me crazy? Get out of my skin, but I don't know where to begin. Right now I feel worthless, and I feel crazy. Hate, rain on me. Hate, rain on me. Hate. Put on my sweatpants. I was trying to quit. I wanna give a shit again. I'm gonna put on my sweatpants. And I'm trying to quit. give a shit again. Hate, rain on me, hate on hate, rain on me. Rain on hate, rain on hate, rain on me. 1, 2, 3, 4.